So let us now understand what is novel view synthesis. What do we mean by novel view synthesis? Let us understand that. So basically, if I talk about novel view synthesis, so it is made up of three words: novel, view, and synthesis. So the meaning of novel means unique, so something unique. View means scene or an image, you can say, frame, image. And synthesis means generating. So novel view synthesis is the task of generating images of a scene from camera viewpoints that were never originally captured. So the idea is that novel view synthesis is a task wherein we will be generating some novel images, like the images which does not exist in reality, rather we are synthesizing it. So it is a task of generating images of a scene from camera viewpoints that were never originally captured. So novel view synthesis is the computer vision task of generating photorealistic images of a 3D scene from camera viewpoints that were not present in the original input data. So in novel view synthesis, we make use of sparse set of calibrated images. So the meaning of it is, like, let us suppose we are capturing an object from different camera angles. So let us suppose I have 20 samples of an object from different camera angles. So that I can call it like the sparse set of calibrated images. Calibrated images because they were captured with a direction in mind at certain angles. So, and also I have known camera poses. I also have the data, like, okay, this image is captured from this angle. Okay, this image so input will contain two things, the image and the camera pose. Okay, this image, it is captured from this pose, like the front, from the back, from the side, like that. So in novel view synthesis, what we do, we make use of this information, like we will make use of the information that, okay, if this is the camera pose, this is the scene, it is how the scene looks like. And with this information, we generate images of a scene from new camera viewpoints. Then I'll say that, okay, let us suppose I have information that this is the image, like this object looks like this from the front view, it looks like this from the back view, rear view. Then novel view synthesis will generate images like how it will look from the side view. That's the idea. So the output of novel view synthesis, it is the photorealistic renderings from arbitrary viewpoints. So novel view synthesis means making use of the input, that is the set of calibrated images along with the known camera poses. With that information, we will be generating, we call it like the photorealistic rendering. That is the novel view synthesis from arbitrary viewpoints. So essentially, it uses a sparse set of 2D photographs to mathematically hallucinate what the scene looks like from a new angle, filling in missing geometric and lightening information. That is very important because uh, it will like generate uh, images from the new angle, and it will fill the missing geometry and lighting information, because which was missing in the input data, because input, it has information about certain camera poses, but with novel view synthesis we can synthesize images at some more poses, and we can very clearly feel the application of this technique, like in cinematography, like in filmmaking. It can be very powerful. Like let us suppose, like we captured a scene from few angles. Now with this technique we can render, we can basically do the photorealistic rendering from different camera angles.